Righto, so we've got some work to do on the Skylines. We've got my one, we've got some electrical dump pipe exhaust to finish off, Scotty's this afternoon, box out. What else do we have to do to it?
Heaps. Way too much to do it. Make Scotty do it.
See if he'll ever turn up.
Yeah.
And we've got to drop the box out, exhaust off, clean some more stuff in the engine bay, get it prepped and ready for the new motor, which will be here hopefully later in the week. And then, yeah, then get it back together. But yeah, my one, we've got to do the exhaust and a few other things. Caleb's got the front bar and a pod ready for paint. We might do that this afternoon. And I've got to get it down and start doing some electrical. Do all the interior, finish the interior off, and yeah, do a couple other things like that. Anyway, I'm going to get into it and go from there.
So what are you doing here?
Just going to cut the flange off it, get it ready for a V-band. We're mounted up to the dump pipe.
Mounted up to the dump pipe under here?
Yep.
Yep. So what size dumper you got?
It's 3-inch from turbo back. All stainless. With a flexi at the bottom of the dump pipe.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. Good size.
We glue that on there and build the next piece.
Alright, let's do it.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Oh my, you're my broken love. Oh my, you're my broken love. It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save and oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you.
Putting the caddy on.
Putting the catalytic converter on there, mate.
Yeah, the catalytic converter.
It's a really good quality one, you know. It's
Dark in there.
it's dark as, but it's also a bit holler. Like, holla, how you going?
Is that right?
Young white.
Right.
Next.
Next scene. Yeah. Nah, jokes.
Get myself sky high cause I love him so. Jitterbug into my brain.
How's it go again?
Oh, wouldn't have a clue, mate. Don't know the song.
You were just singing it.
Not me. Where do I want to go with that?
Very focused there, Jacob.
Just brain farting.
Gotta love a good old brain fart.
Oh, brain fart, mate.
Look at that turbo. Big old spoolie boy. It's gonna make all the dose noises, Jacob.
Nah. It'll make some spool noises because it's T51R modded.
Yeah.
Thanks to Jai.
Nice.
Just like the Valiant, mate.
So it'll be spoolie but not doses. Nice and dark under here.
You alright?
Nice and dark.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save and oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
So how did we go with our custom piece, Jacob?
Oh yeah. You got it close. Like, really close. It's kind of like the flexi's got to go in there. within a couple of mil.
So the flexi joint will cover that?
Pretty much.
Yeah, nice.
Just gotta tack these V-bands on.
Yep.
And then we'll work out a length that the flexi's going to take up.
Yep.
And we'll tack it in. We'll tack it in up here and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Anyway, change the regulator across and fire the TIG up.
Oh yeah. Let's do it.
Minute. Hot for a minute. Minute. Hot when I'm in it. Minute. I'll be coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so dumb. Everybody know what flow I'm on. You already know when the thing come through to the shit that is supposed to be.
Righto, so quick update. We spent hours and hours and hours. Now have somewhat the start of the dash and the interior in. We have plenty more hours left on this. Don't know what to film to show you guys with it, but it's painstakingly annoying, taking a long time, and it's just really not worth filming. Anyway, all the rest of the interior is all kind of still there. Once I get all this in, I can start on all the wiring, and yeah, we can go from there. But yeah, anyway, that's kind of where we're up to with the Skyline at the moment, and once we get some more done, we will yeah, film it, get it done, show ya. Righto.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up.